Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey, my name is McKenna, and today we're doing a plethora of things. One, I'm going grocery shopping and I'm gonna do like a mini haul because I'm going to Mart, and I've gone there before but I haven't gone often, so I'm just gonna share a few things. How lovely, how lovely. I was just gonna share a few things that I am going to get from there. Today it is super busy outside because today is gonna be an air show, and we are actually incorporating some exercise in it because it's about, I want to say 2 miles away, give or take, and we're going to actually walk there, go and enjoy and have fun, and then we're gonna walk back. So that's like 4 miles that we're gonna walk, and my mom and I. And to be honest, we are not athletic, so that'll be interesting. But yeah, I'm just gonna take you along with me. Let me share the fit because I'm actually quite proud. The lighting is not doing it justice at the moment. Let me just, hold on. I decided to come inside because it was really busy out there. Like, it's gonna get really crowded, like they're closing the streets, all that jazz. But let's show the fit. Starting off with, I have these green earrings that I am wearing along with these 2 rings. I want to add a necklace, which I'm gonna do. But then we have the fit, and so we have this top. It's a t-shirt that I just like tucked in, and then we have the split color pants, and I'm gonna wear, I have Converse on now, but I think I want to change to like actual athletic shoes since I don't want to mess up my feet. My hair is not doing what it needs to do. It's cute on this side, like it's cute in the back, but the front is not giving. So I guess I'm gonna like wet it a bit, maybe scrunch it up. I don't know. But yeah, let's go ahead and go because we're about to leave and start this walk. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so I'm gonna do a quick grocery haul from Mart. You know, I had to get my favorite matcha pocket. I am in such a hurry right now, so I'm gonna try to do it really fast. I also got matcha. It's like ice cream. I'm very excited to try those because I haven't tried them before. Whew. Black bean noodles. I got, oh my god, they tied it. That's nice, but also not convenient for right now. Okay, I got some stewed tofu already like marinated. I got fish cakes to put in like my soups. Seaweed. I got the strawberry pocky as well. Gochujang. I also got soybean paste. Hold on, I'm trying to quickly film. Oh Lord, the big bag of kimchi. I got, okay, so this says panko mayo. I thought it was pee mayo, but oopsies. Okay, so that's all I got from Mart. Everything else from it's not? Oh, it's a whole nother bag. That's what you meant. Okay, my bad. A whole nother bag has appeared. Oh, right. So I got tofu cutlet. I also got this soup kit that I'm excited to try out. I'm very excited to try that. And I also got an extra thing of tofu because I like tofu. That's all I got from Mart. We are on our descent to the air show, and I was correct. It is 2 miles, so we are walking 2 miles and walking 2 miles back.
Yes, exercise.
Woohoo! I did put on the necklace, like I said, and I switched to my Nikes. So, all right, let's go. You can see it from here, from our walk. That man in the clouds. We made it. There's food trucks, and I realized I haven't eaten all day. So We finna get some food and meet up with my cousin. Wow. It's really nice out. There's so much food. There by the academic pizza. That's so cool though. Yeah? Did it go up? Woo! Yeah! This guy's going over here. Where's the other two? Where'd the other two go? They're gonna cross by. There they go, there they go. Oh, look. They're going straight up. No. Oh my gosh, oh my god, oh my god, oh my gosh. Wow. The food has been acquired and it looks so good. I'm also gonna be trying this. We have decided that it is carbonated apple. And we're gonna try it and see how it goes, so. Oh, I can't. Ooh. Ugh. Okay, I got it.
Are you filming that?
Yes. Okay. It's good. What the heck? It's really good. Let's try the tacos. Trying the tacos. Wow.
Get a good bite?
No, I did not get a good bite. I have to get a second one.
The next one will be a good one?
Oh, yeah.
Tell me Wow.
Nigga, hold up. I got my own dub. And when you show up, when you show love, yeah, we give back. Where you been at? Teach that, and we gon' be just don't get too high, don't get too high. It's the long we've been on.
Oh yeah.
They're doing donuts, but we can't see.
Look at her. Oh, so then
We're walking back. That food was good, but it was spicy, so I'm glad that I got those drinks. It was definitely spicy. But we're walking back another 2 miles. This man is booming. Come on. He's grooving. Anyways, it was a fun little weekend, and we are doing this walk because I was sick during Mother's Day. So, happy Mother's Day! Yay! Thank you guys so much for watching. And I will see you in the next one.